Welcome to this episode of the MagnaFlow Minute, where we give you quick facts about the construction or design of our product and show you why the MagnaFlow difference matters. Today we're talking about the different kinds of tube bends commonly found on catalytic converters. You will commonly find two types of bends used in direct fit catalytic converters: a mandrel bend and a crush bend. Mandrel bends are created using a hydraulic bender. A mandrel supports the walls and the structure of the tubing while it's being shaped, maintaining its concentric shape and smooth surface. The mandrel is inserted into the tube as it's fed through and formed in the tubing die of the bender. Crush bends are created when a tube is held in place at each end and pressure is applied at the desired spot to create the bend. There are a few types of crush bends, including wrinkle bends or standard crush bend. In both cases, the tubing diameter is reduced through the bend and overall flow capacity is compromised. Due to the consistent geometry and smooth surfaces of a mandrel bend, you will find that the factory converters found on most modern vehicles utilize mandrel bent tubing. MagnaFlow maintains the OEM design, flow, and geometry in our converters by utilizing the same mandrel bending process. This allows the MagnaFlow part to demonstrate similar flow characteristics of the OEM part, avoiding a negative impact on fuel economy or engine performance. Most aftermarket catalytic converters are manufactured using crush bends. The tube deformation of this cost-saving measure creates an impingement that reduces exhaust flow as well as compromises geometry compared to the OEM converter. The subsequent decrease in flow can cause a reduction in fuel economy and a loss of engine performance. Mandrel bent tubing maintains smooth internal and external surfaces. The smooth interior allows for optimal airflow throughout the entire tube and reduces possibility of moisture buildup and particulate buildup that could lead to corrosion. The smooth exterior surface prevents excessive buildup of road grime that can also lead to corrosion. In the case of standard crush bends and wrinkle crush bends, the change in geometry can lead to moisture and particulate buildup, leading to premature corrosion. When replacing the catalytic converter on your vehicle, it's important to consider the geometry and surface qualities of the tubing. To maintain the optimal performance of the OEM part, choose a MagnaFlow catalytic converter manufactured with mandrel bends. Tune into the next MagnaFlow Minute for another easy reason why we should be your #1 choice for catalytic converters.